I can't think.
So here I'm using a butter. Next, fry the onion. And this is minced ginger. And minced garlic. Waited them to cook until golden brown. And now I will add my ground meat. I'm using a ground beef this time. And then I cook until well done because that's what I wanted. Then I added the mushroom and let them cook. And they look soft now. And now it's ready to add the vegetables. A slice of carrots. Just mixing them and cook for a little bit. And drop all the sliced peppers and mix them all together. And I'm adding all the seasoning that I prepared. Here I use coconut water instead of broth. Bring them to boil. And let them cook until half done. Here it is now, it's all done. It's really quick and easy menu. And ready to serve. As Asian, we love serving with rice. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next videos.